So the word is avoid like the plague. Those are words you don't want to associate with a vehicle you're thinking about buying. In this case, it's a used vehicle. This is the 2002 Ford Explorer, hands down the worst vehicle on record at carcomplaints.com. The 2002 to 2005 model in particular has a very well-established record of expensive transmission failure at under 100,000 miles. Another common problem for the 2002 to 2003 Explorer is wheel bearing failure at around 90,000 miles. These are all complaints submitted by users with a typical repair bill of between 500 and 1,000 depending on how many wheel bearings failed. Adding insult to injury, the 2002-2005 also has a massive problem with a rear panel cracking. While it's a minor annoyance to the transmission failure, obviously, ironically, the crack usually goes right through the Ford logo. So of all the complaints, transmission problems were the highest number. 1,500 people had taken the time to write into carcomplaints.com and tell them that was the issue. Compare that to what the National Highway Transportation Association has received. They've received nearly 1,000 complaints about the transmission problems of the 2002 Ford Explorer. Next up, paint problems and body problems, almost 750 complaints there. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration received 487, so almost half or more than half of what they had. Interior accessory problems, wheel hub, drivetrain, windows, windshield, these are all in order. I'm going to go a little deeper now on the transmission problems that people have complained about with the 2002 Ford Explorer. So 441 were very specific to that. The OD light blinking was next. Transmission slips when shifting in clunks, that was next in order. Enclosed transmission had to be overhauled, difficult shifting, and then a little bit smaller in terms of the number of complaints. Hard soft shifting, rattling noises, gear ratio out, won't shift into third gear. So I think they've made some big gains since 2002. I last had the 2020 Ford Explorer, and I'll put a link to all my Ford-related videos and reviews in the description below. So the 2002, obviously the one to avoid most, and that of all the different vehicles that have received complaints, that was the largest of all of them. After that, it was the Honda Accord, 2003, 2011 Hyundai Sonata, 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2013 Nissan Altima. After that was a 2014 Altima, so Nissan had a couple of bad years as it relates to people complaining about it. And then the 2004 Ford Explorer, 2013 Hyundai Elantra. I'll put a link to this full list of the worst vehicles. They've got 20 of them here, ranked using their pain rank algorithm that factors in average mileage at failure, cost to fix and repair, relative complaints, analysis, and owner's ranking. That's how these worst vehicles were organized. So 2002, avoid like the plague. And that wraps it up for this episode of the Everyman Driver Car Show. Again, check out our sponsor below, mycarmatch.com. It's my go-to website for the best new and used car deals broken down by zip code. You can find a link below for a free quote today.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.